Hello techies. So we have a task here, and then let us start up immediately. So we are to compress graphics folder and all of its content, and all of this is inside the D drive. So let's go into the D drive. We open a file explorer, we go to this PC, scroll down, double click on the D drive. Alright, so let's start up. The first one is graphics folder. We have to compress graphics folder and all of its contents. Right click on it, go to properties and advanced, then click on compress contents to save the space, and then OK, and then apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files. What is the instruction here and all of its content? So yeah, this is correct. So click OK. What is the next folder? Make the following files read only. Tools, snag date. So this is tools. You open it up. Audacity, we have to make it read only. So we go to properties, read only, apply, OK, snag it. Right click, go to properties, read only, apply, OK. Then we come out and we go to finance. What are we going to do to finance? We have to hide the finance folder. Right click, go to properties, click on hidden, hide the folder. So apply, yep, okay. All right, so close this and we are going to check our answers. If this video was helpful, you consider sharing, liking, subscribing. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.